Hey traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Now in this video, we are just going to be diving into the EMA Stochastic RSI strategy. Okay, it's a powerful strategy that combines three of the most effective indicators to help you trade with confidence. If you want to improve your trade accuracy and learn how to spot the best entry and exit points, this video is for you. Now let's quickly get started. This strategy is perfect for traders who want to use multiple indicators to confirm entry and exit points, as well as to help spot trends, reversals, and momentum shifts. Here is a breakdown of each indicator. Okay. Now, for the exponential moving average, all right, let us add the EMA to the chart. Okay, we're going to be using the 50 period EMA. All right, the 50 period EMA. So by using the 50 period EMA, we can easily determine if the market is trending up or down. We are using the EMA to identify the overall trend direction. Then we're going to be using the Stochastic Oscillator. We're going to be using the Stochastic Oscillator to identify overbought and oversold conditions. All right. We're using it to identify overbought and oversold conditions in the market, indicating potential reversal points. And then the RSI confirms the momentum of the market, helping us avoid entering trades when the market is in overbought or oversold conditions. Now, together, these indicators give you a clearer picture of the market, reducing the risk of false signals and helping you stay in profitable trades. Let us just set up the strategy on your chart. First of all, you should add your 50 period EMA. This will show you the overall market trend. Okay. Next, you add the Stochastic Oscillator. You ensure that the Stochastic Oscillator is set to 1433. That's the settings that we're going to be using in this video. All right, 1433. This will show you when the market is overbought or oversold. All right, show you when the market is overbought or oversold. Then you add the RSI. The RSI should be set to 14. This is actually the default setting, set to 14. Which will help confirm whether the market is in a strong trend or reversing. Now let us look for entry signals using these three indicators. For buy entries, ensure that the price is above the 50 EMA, indicating an uptrend. All right, the Stochastic Oscillator should be below 20. All right. Stochastic Oscillator should be below 20. Below 20, which is oversold, and then cross above. The RSI should be rising above 30. It should be above 30, rising. Okay, signaling bullish momentum. Then for sell entries, ensure that the price is below the 50 EMA, indicating a downtrend. The Stochastic Oscillator should be above 80, overbought, and then cross below. Then the RSI should be moving below 70, confirming bearish momentum. All right. Make sure you have proper risk management in place. Okay. For your stop loss, place your stop loss just below the recent swing low for a buy trade. For example, if we enter a buy, let's say around here, our stop loss should be below the recent swing low. And then if it is a sell trade, let's say we entered after confirming our sell, let's say around here, stop loss should be above the previous swing high. Then for your take profits, you can set your take profits at the major support, that is for a sell trade. All right. If it's for a buy trade, you can set your take profit at major resistance. Okay. Or you can just use a risk to reward ratio of 1:2 to ensure a favorable risk management approach. Risk management is paramount, irrespective of the strategy that you are using. You might be very good with technical analysis, but if you do not know how to employ good risk management practices, you might end up losing a lot of money. So it is important that you learn how to manage your risks effectively. All right, you learn how to manage your risks effectively in order to, in order to be successful in the long run. All right. Now, before you start trading with this strategy, remember, always backtest and practice on a demo account first. Okay, it's important to test a new strategy on a demo account so that you can be sure that the strategy works for you before using it in live trading. All right, so backtest the strategy as well on it, and it should be on a demo account that you first of all use the strategy. Okay, and also use higher time frames for stronger signals, such as the 1 hour, the 4 hours, or the daily. All right, you can use the 1 hour chart or the 4 hour chart or the daily chart, and then combine this strategy with candlestick patterns for more reliable entry points. Okay, that is also very important. You look for candlestick patterns that confirms your trade entries. If you're wanting to enter a buy trade, you should look for bullish candlestick patterns. If you want to enter a sell trade, you should look for bearish candlestick patterns. Okay, it is very important. So that is a wrap for this video on the EMA Stochastic RSI strategy. This strategy will help you make more confident decisions in the market by combining 3 of the most reliable indicators, making sure that you get enough confirmations before entering a trade. All right. Meanwhile, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more Forex trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching and happy trading.